सामने से पकड़ने पर बचाव करते हुए दुश्मन पर अटैक। के ऊपर से नाइफ अटैक होने पर बचाव करते हुए दुश्मन पर काउंटर अटैक। बेयोनेट या नाइफ से फाइट करते समय अपने आप को बचाते हुए दुश्मन को मार गिराना।
काउंटर अटैक करना।
सेक्शन दुश्मन की देखभाल और टारगेट रेंज में आता है, उसी समय दुश्मन द्वारा बंकर से सेक्शन के ऊपर फायर डाला जाता है। सेक्शन पर फायर आने पर सेक्शन बैटलक्राफ्ट और फील्ड क्राफ्ट का इस्तेमाल करके दौड़ों, रेंगों और आड़ पकड़ों की कार्रवाई करते हुए जमीन पकड़ता है। ये ड्रिल्स ऑफिसर्स ट्रेनिंग एकेडमी चेन्नई का एक केंद्र बिंदु है, इसलिए बैटलक्राफ्ट और फील्ड क्राफ्ट की ट्रेनिंग सभी अफसर कैडेट्स को ट्रेनिंग पूरा करने से पहले महारत हासिल करना निहायत ही जरूरी है। सेक्शन कमांडर स्काउट तक पहुंचकर उनसे फायर आने की लोकेशन और वेपन के बारे में पूछता है। स्काउट, फायर कहां से आया? सेक्शन कमांडर, सामने नजदीक दुश्मन का एलएमजी पोस्ट, वहां से फायर आया।
सपोर्ट ग्रुप आधा दायरे नजदीक 1-8, वहां से कवर फायर देगा। सपोर्ट ग्रुप मुक्त।
सपोर्ट ग्रुप रेडी। सपोर्ट ग्रुप फायर।
लोगों पार्टी मूव।
बंकर पर धावा बेयोनेट चार्ज करता है।
स्टार्टिंग में यही कर
to the gate of the fort to take up their respective positions on the inspection line. The parade commander, Academy Cadet Adjutant Surjeet Yadav, preceded by 2 officer cadet pilots, can be seen marching smartly towards the center of Drill Square, from where he will take position to command the parade. Corporal Divyanshu Kumar Chaudhary and Corporal Rohan Dhaya are both officer cadets of the junior course who have been specially selected to escort the reviewing officer. Behind these corporals, marching towards the saluting dais, are Major Deepak Sohag, the Assistant Adjutant, and Subedar Major Amar Bahadur Guram, Shaurya Chakra, the Drill Subedar Major, followed by 2 Lancers on horseback. The Lancers on the horseback are Officer Cadet Sangharsh Thakur and Officer Cadet Mayank Kumar Tripathi. They will take up positions on either side of the ceremonial arch and company and is commanded by Senior Under Officer Bhavya Mathuri. On to her left is Battalion Under Officer Manya N. Kumar. The other appointments of the company are Company Quartermaster Sergeant Rishabh Prasad Padhya and Junior Under Officers Vidyut Kumar Yadav, Vam Mekhyam and Harshit Agarwal. Sergeants of the company are Karma Shomo, Sharing Gyalchan Bhutia, Mohit Kumar and Adam Naseem.
The 4th contingent from the left is Jesami Company and is commanded by Senior Under Officer Sushant Rana. On to his left is Battalion Under Officer Avinash Pokhre. The other appointments of the company are Company Sergeant Major Vinay Thakur, Company Quartermaster Sergeant Sridhar Juktawat, and Junior Under Officers Piyush Yadav, Avinash Chauhan and Deepak Kumar Verma. in a short while. The motto of the Academy is serve with honor, which epitomizes the code of conduct of a soldier in all times and situations. The Academy has honestly and zealously striven hard to inculcate this lofty spirit in every officer cadet who passes out from here, so that they can live up to their motto even at the peril of their lives. It is nothing but that. Contingents have started the quick march to the tune of the Gotri. Their swords and badges are shivering in the morning light, pledging everlasting fidelity to our country. On their shoulders will rest enormous responsibilities from this day on. As young subalterns, they will be guarding many a frontier post in the ice-capped mountains, where survival itself is a challenge. Whether it is the numbing cold of the glaciers in the north, the storming desert frontiers in the west, or the dense forest of the east, these young men and women will safeguard the honor and integrity of the nation, always and every time. It is their duty to ensure the defense of the motherland, which will help the nation to grow from strength to strength. In their minds, they are
देवी और सज्जनों, अब सबसे अनुरोध है कि जब निशान आपके सामने से गुजरे तो उनकी गरिमा को देखते हुए आप अपने स्थान पर खड़े हो जाएं। रथधारी कृपया सल्यूट करें। As befits the solemn occasion and as a mark of respect to the colors, I request you all to please rise and those in uniform to salute. Contingents are now marching to the tune of the Academy song, Roshni, the anthem of Officers Training Academy. This is the song that instills pride in our officer cadets and spurs them up to meet the stiff challenges of training, undaunted, and scale new heights of excellence. Lyrics of this song were written by Major General N. Vishwanathan, the 12th Commandant of this academy, on K of this academy. The officer cadets march smartly as the gods look down benevolently upon them, showering them with their blessings. These officer cadets look forward to a glorious and challenging life in the Indian Army as officers. What awaits them is an opportunity to serve in the most remote locations on the frontiers of our country and mingle with the dignity of the tune being played by the band. This inspiring tune stirs in every Indian an unmatched patriotic fervor and has motivated many young men and women during our freedom struggle. The weather god seems to be smiling today as the golden rays of the sun shine down benevolently upon the glowing faces of these young men and women.
the co instructor of the academy, marching smartly towards Vellora Company, the previous term champions. The Chief of Army Staff banner will be returned to the academy by Junior Under Officer Lokesh Rawat of Vellora Company. It shall later be presented to the champion company of this term. The coveted awards being presented to the passing out course are Sword of Honor, Officers Training Academy Gold Medal, Officers Training Academy Silver Medal, Officers Training Academy Bronze Medal, Officers Training Academy Foreign Officer Cadet, and Chief of Army Staff banner. Sword of Honor, awarded to the best all-round officer cadet of the passing out course. Officers Training Academy Silver Medal, awarded to the officer cadet.
The reviewing officer will now present the awards to the proud winners.
ये बहुत फेमस है अलग गाना
ये एक हो गया ना अच्छा
वो अलग है वो बिल्कुल फर्स्ट है ज़्यादा
हाँ अंदर ही आते हैं
Anurag Saini with Wing Commander Rohit Thakur. The other members of the formation now, Squadron Leader AP Singh with Wing Commander Neeraj Sharma and Squadron Leader Devendra Gautam.
लागून पुढे
After passing through Pehla Kadam, the newly commissioned officers are fully charged up to lead this new